You're not broke because you're lazy. You're broke because no one taught you the system. Sound familiar? You work hard, maybe 2 jobs, you cut coupons, skip Starbucks, and still wonder, where did all my money go? What if I told you saving money on a low income isn't just possible? It's your first step toward a wealthy lifestyle. Sounds dramatic? Good. Because this video could change the next 10 years of your life, if you stick around to the end. Before you save, you must know where your money is leaking. The average person can't remember what they spent last Thursday. And no, vibes are not a budget category. Ever looked at your bank account and thought, who spent $200 at Target? Then remembered, it was you? Here's your move. Download a budget tracking app like YNAB or Mint. Track every cent, not just the big stuff. Your goal, build financial awareness, not shame. Think of it like turning on the lights in a messy room. Suddenly, you see what needs fixing. And speaking of fixing things, let's talk about a spending trap almost everyone falls into, especially on a tight income. Every time your income increases, your lifestyle shouldn't. That's lifestyle creep, and it silently steals your wealth. If you don't control it now, you'll wake up 10 years later with the same $27 in savings and nothing to show for all your work. So here's your power move. Pretend you're still broke. When your income goes up, save the extra. Don't upgrade your life. Yet. But how do you even start saving when your income feels like it's already stretched to the breaking point? That's where automation becomes your financial superpower. The rich don't save what's left after spending. They spend what's left after saving. Even if it's just $10 a week. It's not the amount, it's the habit. Set up automatic transfers to a savings account the day your paycheck hits. No temptation, no mental effort, just consistency. Because let's be honest, if saving depends on willpower, your bank account will cry every time a pizza ad shows up. But what if I told you there's a method to save more, without earning more, by flipping the way you spend? Traditional budgeting is like counting calories, exhausting and easy to mess up. Reverse budgeting, it's budgeting for real life. Here's how it works. Save first, pay fixed bills, then live on the rest, guilt-free. This removes decision fatigue and gives you permission to spend without blowing the budget. Suddenly, you're not constantly stressed, you feel in control. That freedom is wealth. But what about the big stuff? Rent, insurance, food. Surely you can't change that on a low income. Or can you? Everyone talks about skipping coffee. But big savings come from big expenses. Ask yourself, can I get a roommate? Can I switch to a cheaper cell plan? Can I cook 3 days a week instead of eating out? But I need my $200 car payment. Bro, if your car is worth more than your savings, we have a problem. Absent fixed costs once, and you'll save every single month without thinking. And if you've made it this far, you're not just trying to survive, you're ready to thrive. So let's unlock the step that turns saving into wealth. Here's how you go from zero to financial momentum. Pick your smallest financial goal. Maybe a $100 emergency fund. Crush it. Celebrate. Then roll that energy into the next goal. 500, then 1,000, then invest in it. This is how you build momentum. Fast. Every win builds confidence. Every dollar saved becomes a brick in your future. You don't need to be rich to start, but you do need to start to become rich. You've just learned how to save money on a low income, not just in theory, but in real step-by-step action. Now imagine what happens when those savings start growing by themselves. That's where the real magic begins, and it's called compounding. Don't forget to subscribe to BudgetWise, because this is just the beginning of your financial glow-up.